Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So again, nothing really going on here. We sort of toyed with this area earlier in the week, and that's 135.57, and then now we're back at this area at 13.864. We're going to need to break one of these areas for me to even start getting excited. The way that price action looks over here, this is kind of looking like we're probably going to just meander up and then drop again, hopefully to form a higher low or a double bottom on the 8 hour. That would sort of start giving you the confidence that you have bottom of range or an opportunity that you have a bottom in. But at the moment, no clear signal. So if we look at the 3 hour, classic textbook here, first leg down, pullback, second leg down. And now we have what is looking like a really confused pullback. You can see all these tails to the downside, tails to the upside, confusion. That is complete confusion. So we need to recapture 13.864 for longs to start becoming relevant again. And there is another little trend line here that I would draw in, because it's more than likely going to hold up price. And if you look to the left, each one of these tails will offer resistance. So that's kind of what you need to pay attention to right now. Now, if we get to the 1 hour, yesterday, you see we had a nice juicy pin bar off structure. Gap is still open though. So we still have a gap down here. You can see this bar closed there, then it gapped up there. So on the high time frames, that gap is open. This is the area to pay attention to. That's 13.864, but we're close to this trend line, so it wouldn't surprise me to see if we do break this, break up to the trend line, then bounce back. But that pullback onto structure, so it could come back onto this area. If it dropped below this area, then we're back in the sideways range, and I'm not interested in it. So this is the one I'm looking for. It's break of 13.864. Come up, test the trend line, come back, find support here, start bouncing. That's going to give us the opportunity for it, anticipating a trend line break. And what you should actually do is just make sure it is exact. And that's pretty much the only move that I'm looking at. Not really looking at a short until we start dropping below 13.557. So that's kind of my view at the moment. It was sideways yesterday, so sit on hands until I see some decent structure playing out. But at the moment, this is not something you want to be trading. I don't even think on the 15 minutes you would have had an opportunity. Look at that. I mean, does look like a flat top triangle forming, a bottoming formation, but this gap is still open, which concerns me. Anyway, I'm sitting on hands. That's pretty much my motto for today. Sit on hands. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.